afternoon, welcome back to Expatcrib. My name is Ian, and today I have another special penthouse to show you. This one is in Medellin, in the barrio of San Lucas, right across from the Golf and Country Club. This is a 2-floor duplex apartment with a jacuzzi, a beautiful patio. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. As you can see, right across from the Golf and Country Club. It's the golf course right there. We are in the neighborhood of El Diamante, but on the border of San Lucas. So we usually just call this San Lucas. So this is a beautiful modern style of penthouse. It was only built a few years ago. Really nice sized balcony, as you can see. Space for barbecue and a bar fridge right there. As you can see here, space for the jacuzzi. So, as I said, very nice sized patio, as you can see, with epic views of the city. Super green in this area. So, as you can see, this is a custom-made jacuzzi. We'll take one last look at this view here. And we'll move inside. From the patio to the front door. As you can see, open plan kitchen. The owners are actually here right now, enjoying the patio. But a beautiful open plan kitchen. And it looks like they're cooking with gas and an induction stove. Dishwashing station. Again, everything is built in here, built-in dishwasher. So that this apartment is actually not for sale, it's for rent. I'll put all the specifications at the end screen. As I said, the owners are here working. Beautiful dining room table. Again, really beautiful views of the city of Medellin. And right here, you have your laundry room. As I said, this is a unit that shortly will go on the market for longer term rentals. Anywhere from 1 month to 1 year. As you can see here, beautiful wine shelf. Take another look at the kitchen. And one last look at the living room and kitchen combined. All right, let's move on to the bedrooms. So this is a 3-bedroom unit. And it also has an office space. Small walk-in closet here. And air conditioning in the apartment, as you can see above. And then over here, you have your ensuite bathroom. The beautiful rain shower. So I guess this would be the second bedroom. Here you have the social bathroom. Let's go up to the principal bedroom. Right to the left here, we have a little storage locker, as you can see, for suitcases or other things. And right here, the big reveal is the TV room or the media room. They have a projector and sound system here. It's, as you can see, a short throw projector. And off to the principal bedroom. So, a couple of weeks ago, I did an apartment in El Retiro at a crazy, affordable price of under $400 a month. This is not an under $400 a month rental apartment. This is one of the nicest luxury apartments in the city. Again, I'll put the details at the end screen, and if you want to contact us, we can put you directly in touch with the owner or the manager of this apartment. As you can see, beautiful walk-in closet here with plenty of space. And a gorgeous washroom. His and hers sinks. And an outdoor bathtub. And complete with, again, another rain shower. But I can't get over this beautiful bathtub here. Out on the patio, you're literally outside here. again, if you have a lot of clothes, no problem. A lot of bags, no problem. Really nice sized. Principal bedroom here, complete with their own patio space. And really beautiful views to the north of Medellin, overlooking the Golf and Country Club. So if you're an avid tennis player, this might be the penthouse you want to rent, or golfer. There's a 9-hole golf course, Campestre right there. And here you're only about a 5-minute drive from Mall Santa Fe, which is just out in this direction right here. And Mall Oviedo is across the street. And you're blocks away from Sao Paulo Plaza here. And then there's a beautiful Pergamino Cafe just up the hill over this way here in San Lucas. Take another look at this beautiful bedroom. Again, the media room. And then we'll take one last look downstairs. This apartment is very breezy. Take one last look. Patio here. And one last look at the beautiful vista of the city of Medellin. Ian from Expatcrib, and we will see you in the next video.